to make a game day dip, a taco dip. Something a little different. So let's get started. So today we are going to use a block of cream cheese that has been set out to room temperature. Then we are going to use some sour cream. You can use a big one if you're doing a big party, or you can use a smaller one, which I'm going to use today. Don't mind my cat. He knows that I have food, so he's meowing. Then we are going to use some on the border salsa. And we are going to use some taco seasoning. I use the 30% less sodium. And sprinkle that on top of there. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix that up just to get it a good consistency. That smells really good. You can use whatever you want in here. I am just going to use the salsa and the cream cheese, the sour cream, and then get it mixed up in there really good. These are great for like your Superbowl games and just any football game, parties, anything you want to do. Okay, I am going to go ahead and put some green or some peppers in there. I use some red peppers, some yellow peppers, some orange peppers, and some green peppers. Yes. Sprinkle those in. And then I'm using some green onions. Sprinkle those in there too. This is an easy dip to make. It doesn't take that long. And then as you can see, it doesn't take that long to make it. And then I'm going to add some cheese. Make sure everybody hits like and subscribe to my channel. It is free. And let me know in the comments what you think about the dip. And let me know if you have any different ideas on a taco dip. And that's all you have to do. And now we're going to let it chill. And just so you guys know, this is a served cold dish, so it takes no time at all, and the prep is super easy. Okay, everybody, now that we have let our taco dip chill for a little bit, we are going to add some more cheese. I love cheese, so I'm going to add some more. Then we're going to go ahead and stir that in. You can see now that it's nice and somewhat thick.
What you gonna do? You gonna come closer?
It smells so
You gonna
good.
stare forever? Do you wanna get to know me?
This
Get your confidence up. Feel the gap tonight.
So good.
DJ's bringing the heat.
We're
We
gonna
gotta
go
turn
ahead
this
and
right.
try.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do 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 do
Yeah, that's
do
absolutely
do 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 do. What you
Remember,
gonna
you
do?
can use anything you want in this dip. Olives, jalapenos, anything you want in there. But make sure you hit like and subscribe. And from my table to yours, see you next time.